Hello, my name is Macaulay Peeler, and I'm just going to do a quick code walkthrough here. This is a project called Cary Connects to help people in the town of Cary find public parking more easily. It's built on Node, Express, MongoDB, and React. I'll start here in the root. Nothing that crazy here. Jump into the front end here. We're using packages here, Material UI, Leaflet, that's a package for customizing our map visualizations, which we're pulling in through OpenStreetMaps. Okay, now I'm going to dive into the components. So the workflow basically starts at search input, where a user would be able to, or is able to, basically enter in the name of a business they want to go to, and that's handled within these media queries for desktop and mobile. So basically they can search for a business, changes our value and state context, and then we are able to update the results if that business is, exists in our database. That comes in through this Material UI component here, also using context. The function that actually filters the search results based on what they type is this filter function here. Pretty straightforward, just using this includes method. And then the provider here for context, after we've the user's done this event where they on-click on a business that they want to go to, then we will execute the choose business function, which will set the lat long from that data instance of the business, and then the map component using context again will move itself to where that business is. Context on save location, which is what was changed here on choosing business. Okay, so then the user has now found the business on the map where they're going, and they will be able to see the nearest parking lots. Parking lots are rendered on the map as polygons here, so basically an array of longitude values, this is all according, it's just JSON, but it's basically structured in this GeoJSON standard, which is just some open source standard. And so we'll map through those arrays and map all the polygons. So now that the user is looking at the business where they want to go, they're able to see the closest parking lots by these red polygons, and then they will click on one. So their on-click event, go back to context again, create a marker so they know the lot where they're going, and we also execute this click polygon event, which we won't go back to the provider again for now, but what it does is opens this drawer on the left side of the screen. We can make that slightly, here we go. The drawer is right beside the map, and that will pop out with some options. Those will include the data about it, such as the name of the lot, there's handicap parking, how many standard parking spaces there are, so we'll just loop through that, and then also show a button for directions, which will take using the function that finds the center of an array of longitude values, and we push that into Google Maps link here. I can find directions to that a lot. And that's basically it, besides feedback component where a user can some feedback, and then also what's cool is clicks for businesses. We have a sort of a click counter, which we'll submit here, and this is all going to the backend. So we'll explore that now. So it's our basic structure for our business, and then our feedback messages that come in. This is just vanilla Express and Node, where we'll that's when a click is made. The Axios post request ends up here, and the reader will just increment clicks one to our MongoDB database on MLab. These are different databases here for development and such. Our keys secured here in the config.js. That's pretty much it. The only other part of it is there's a dashboard. That's sort of a separate app that just displays the feedback messages for sort of like a back room for maintainers of the app, and then also a little visualization for the click counter, but that's still more in development, so you just have to wait for that. But this site can currently be visited. It's currently at caryparkingapp.roaddirect.com. Thank you.